I welcome all of you on platform of YourPD Education, and you are watching the series of videos which we are showing you related to various higher education opportunities available in different universities globally. And this particular video is related to the opportunities in Germany related to the domain of systems engineering and management. To be more specific, the hybrid branch for electronics and mechanical engineers. I will say mechatronics. So when we talk about electronics, mechanical, mechatronics, system engineering management, there are some courses which are normally MS courses, MSc, which is called Master of Science. These courses are of 4 semesters, but this course is of 3 semesters, offering you good opportunities in the form of job. No doubt, as I told you from the very beginning, that if you want to go to Germany for MS, you need to spend some money. You need to have some money in your pocket, because at the time of application, they are going to ask you how you are going to survive. Give us your 12 months expenditure, and per month expenditure somewhere is 800 euro to 1000 euro, and euro is 89 or 88 rupees. So that means 80,000 rupees per month, that means 10 lakh rupees per year. So you need to show them and deposit 10 lakh rupees, from where they will keep on releasing you monthly expenditure, something like that. So entire MS course, if you are mentally prepared, will cost you 15 lakh. Now, as I told you earlier also, that if you know German as a language, then you can work there. If not in universities, then outside the university or within the university also you can get opportunity, and you can reduce your this cost. So how much you can reduce? Maybe 4 to 5 lakh you can reduce. Still you need to pay from your pocket 8 to 10 lakh rupees. Mentally you should be prepared for that. So those students who want to go from BTech to MS, want to go MS Germany, 15 lakh is the safe. If you have 15 lakh, your parents are ready to invest that much of money on you. Nothing to worry, you can do that. But after MS, whether I'll get job or not, that is the next question. The answer to that is, are you ready to slog? Are you ready to put effort for the job, or you are going to enjoy over there for next 3 semesters or 1.5 year or 2 years? If you are ready to slog, नहीं मेरे को तो जॉब लेनी है यार, मैंने बहुत पैसा इन्वेस्ट किया है पेरेंट्स का, and I'm to get a job and I'm to get into, then you will get a job. That's not a problem, because these are really good courses, industry basically required courses. So let's go for that now. And this course is in South Westphalia University of Applied Science. You can go to the site of this university, and this university has different campuses in different places. And this focus, the main focus of the course is on engineering, natural science, information and communication technology, and business, informatics and agricultural students. So those of you who are from these domains, they can think of pursuing their course from here. So this is more related to product and process innovations, and good learning. This is a really good learning in these particular courses for you. The course, as I told you, MS program in these countries biannually. That means 2 times it starts in a year, in the winter as well as in the summers. So 15th November is in the summers. Before that, this is in English. We present to you only those courses which are in English, and which do not have any kind of tuition fee. That is not there, and some more better opportunities if we are getting, maybe work in the university. So the main criteria of YourPedia to show you the courses is, for Indian students, cost should be less, opportunities to earn should be there, course should be good so that I get job after the course. These are some of the criteria for us to shortlist the universities for you, and this university fits into that. So when we say 3 semesters, that simply means your expenditure reduces, because you are going to incur, I'm going to tell you later on, you are going to incur the expenditure of 850 or 1000 euro per month. So if the course is not of 4 semester, 3 semester, that simply means that you saved 5-6 lakh rupees, because after 3 semesters, obviously you are going to get into the job. So the description is electronics, mechanical, mechatronic system, and there are mechanical module, there is an electronic module, and then there is a combination of the module. What you are going to study in these modules If this is electronic module, you are going to study the microprocessor, signal processing, these kind of things. And you, in the mechanical module, you are going to study about the advanced production engineering kind of domains. There is no tuition fee, and cost of living is 850 euro per month. That is the cost of living, and there is no funding opportunity within the university. But I tell you one more thing: university, even if it is saying that there is no funding available, the moment you land up in those universities, and if you approach the professors, if there is any project under the professor, you can get some funding from the project that can be basically done there. So it largely depends upon your collaboration skills and your own effort. And similarly, if you know German as a language, you can pursue basically this you can opportunity you can find out there within the university or outside the university. So as I told you, there is some requirement of TOEFL or IELTS. There are some requirements for that, and last dates are also mentioned into this for this particular course. So as for me, this is a really good course for those of you who are looking forward for opportunities in I'll say techno-managerial profile like engineering also, management also, short program. Immediately after that, I should get into the job market. I should not spend more money of my parents. And if you want to get into those countries and work into those areas, go for TOEFL or IELTS, small exam, learn Germany, though it is not prerequisite. It will help you to survive there, and then make a really good research proposal after seeing these universities. The details of that you can get from regular Zoom interactions with our mentors. So I hope this has helped you to understand what are the various options. Proceed forward in that direction. Thank you.